Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the people, those as per my opinion are in the biggest loss due to this pandemic when it comes to Canadian immigration. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so in this pandemic when every application is delayed, a lot of people have troubles like spouse sponsorship, family reunion, they have been living apart from their loved ones for months and with no end date when exactly this is gonna be over. People are protesting against it, they are proposing a temporary special visa for spouses, but it's still very far from I mean, as per my opinion, it's like still very far from getting over, but you never know, it may happen quickly as well. I'll not go into the details of that. But in my opinion, the biggest people who are affected in this are people with open work permit, and they are not in Canada and they don't have a job offer or a family member. A lot of people with open work permit, they have managed to come in if they had a family member or a job offer by taking authorization from IRCC. But consider a scenario, somebody uh, got open work permit, let's say in February or around that time, or sometimes even before, went out of Canada, maybe for family visit or finish some commitments. Now, because of the lockdown, or in other terms, travel restrictions, they cannot come in. Now, their work permit is valid for certain duration. Let's say somebody has done 3 years of studies and got 3 years of open work permit. Now, from last around 6 months, they cannot come in. There have been cases where somebody with open work permit was denied to board a flight at New Delhi airport because she did not have a job offer, she did not have any blood relative, or I mean any family member, and she was denied entry. And this situation would be with a lot of people, and in my opinion, these are the people who are under the biggest loss because the duration, like if their work permit is already active, and but because they are not in Canada, they are not getting valuable experience, and their net work permit, or I should say something that they can really use, is decreasing. So that will definitely affect their future immigration process unless the government takes some measures to address these issues. Like if somebody loses like 1 year of time being out of Canada, and if the guy had 2 years of work permit, then effectively it's gonna work for 1 year after the travel restrictions are over. I'm just considering a scenario because nobody knows when these restrictions are gonna be over. Similarly, in other situations, we have the same thing. So at this time, like if you ask me what I would suggest, so honestly, I don't know because it depends upon the category. Most of these people, those who have open work permit and not been allowed to travel, are those postgraduate work permit holders. Because when you get open work permit like a spouse of a student or a skilled worker, then in most of the cases you have somebody in Canada, like so on the basis of family reunion, a lot of people have got authorizations and managed to travel in. But these people, those who have like postgraduate work permit and out of Canada and don't have a relative here, a family member, or a job offer, they have been denied and they are losing their time period. So hopefully government addresses this issue and they should do something for these people because a lot of people will lose their future dreams. Because if somebody wants to immigrate and wants to gain some valuable experience and apply under Canadian experience class, if the guy, as I discussed, loses a significant amount of time, won't be able to work here legally unless gets LMIA or some other process. But that's not gonna be easy in this situation. So this is definitely not good. But this is what it is, guys. I hope the government addresses this issue. Thank you for now, guys.